Hey, gentlemen and women. Today is the Halloween special. And Fat Boy is a Jack again on this year. Yes, I am. I am. Alright, what we're gonna do is trick or treat. Yes. Okay. Here's the first house. Hi, I'm a real guy. Here's 2 pieces of candy. Yay! Anyways. Wait, what is that in the sky? I don't know what that was from. Hi, I'm Fat Boy. Hello, I'm a Mario, and I'm gonna give you 20 pieces of candy. Yes! Yeah! Anyways, now let's go into... Yeah. Oh, I didn't... Okay, you get 20 pieces of candy too. Yay! Vroom, vroom. Hi, I'm Baby Shark, and I'll give you 2 pieces of candy. And you, 2. Yeah! Yes! I got candy. Oh, and also I'm Frankenstein's monster for this year. Oh, and yes, I'm voiced by the same person that voices Blue Cube. Yep. Yes, this is breaking the 4th wall like a little bit. Hi, my name is Jack Jones, and I'm going to explore the Halloween. What was that? Oh, never mind. Dun, 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 dun. Hi, my name is John Dinosaur. I'm gonna trick or treat. Please help me. What? Oh, it's a space creature. Hey, Blue Cube. Yeah?